Numpy. Get random set of rows from 2D array. I have a very large 2D array which looks something like this. Using number py, is there an easy way to get a new 2D array with e.g., 2 random rows from the initial array A without replacement? A.
Putting it together for a general case. For non-replacement, Numpy 1.7.0 plus. I do not believe there is a good way to generate random list without replacement before 1.7. Perhaps you can set up a small definition that ensures the two values are not the same.
This is an old post, but this is what works best for me. Change the replace equals false to true to get the same thing, but with replacement.
Another option is to create a random mask if you just want to downsample your data by a certain factor. Say I want to downsample to 25% of my original dataset, which is currently held in the array data_rr. Now you can call data_rr mask and return 25% of the rows randomly sampled.
I see permutation has been suggested. In fact, it can be made into one line.